Hi everyone, it's Saloni Goyal. Welcome back to today's session. Today we'll be doing a chapter from class 10th and that is The Proposal. The Proposal is actually a one-act play that involves the characters Lomov, Chukobov and Natalia. So there is this, a young man, Lomov, and he decides that he wants to get married. Now he's looking at a lot of marriage prospects and eventually he decides that Natalia, who is his neighbor, is the best fit for him. Let me tell you something about Lomov here first. Lomov is a 35-year-old man. He suffers from palpitations, he does not sleep well, he has anxiety issues. Now Lomov feels that he's 35 years old and probably this is the right age for him to get married. So he decides that Natalia will be a suitable match. Now on the day that he's going to propose to Natalia, he dresses himself to the best attire and he goes and visits the house of Natalia. There, when he visits the house, he is greeted by the father of Natalia, who is Chukobov. Now Chukobov thinks that, probably Lomov has come here to ask for money because a neighbor, why do they come to our place? To ask for something. So Chukobov thought that, probably Lomov wants something from him. That's why he has come to his place. He suspects that Lomov might have come for the money, but that was not the issue. We all know why Lomov has come to Chubokov's house. He has come to ask for Natalia's hand in marriage. Eventually, Lomov discloses his plan. He tells that he's not here for the money, he's not here for the property, he's not here for anything else. He has just come to ask for the hand of Natalia. After this, Chubokov, he calls upon his daughter, and both the daughter Natalia and Lomov, they involve themselves in a discussion. Now Lomov says that, he's very happy that both the families, both the neighbors are on a cordial terms with each other. They're very friendly with each other. Just then, Lomov starts discussing about Oxen Meadows. Oxen Meadows was actually a very disputed property, okay? That property was considered at one point of time that Lomov thought that it was his property, whereas Chubokov thought that it was his property. Eventually, after a lot of disputes, it was decided that Lomov was the owner of that property. Bringing a disputed property case in their argument, in their statement, that really affected, Lomov. And he felt that, Natalia felt that Oxen Meadows was not the property of Lomov itself, it was also her property. Eventually, when this discussion is completed, Lomov suffers from palpitations. Let me tell you something about palpitations. Palpitation is a heart disease, okay? In that disease, the heart starts pumping really fast. At this point of time, Lomov is suffering from palpitations and Natalia gets really nervous and anxious. Both Chubokov and Natalia are trying to bring Lomov back into consciousness. Just then Natalia asks her father that why has Lomov come to our place? And Chubokov answers that Lomov has come to their place to ask for Natalia's hand. Natalia, on hearing this news, she's extremely happy. Natalia is basically an average looking girl, but she's a very good housekeeper. She keeps everything very arranged, she's a very good girl, and she manages everything in the household. Keeping that in mind, Lomov was always keen on asking for Natalia's hand in marriage. And now when Natalia knows the real intention of Lomov coming to their place, even she is excited and happy to get married to Lomov. After a certain time, Lomov comes back into consciousness. His palpitations have cured. He is feeling a lot better. Now, the first argument between Lomov and Natalia was about Oxen Meadow, which was a disputed property. Just when they thought that things have resolved and it's going to be an easy ride for them, suddenly next things comes. Now, both Natalia and Lomov, they are owners of dogs. Natalia owns Squeezer, whereas Lomov owns Guess. Guess is the name of Lomov's dog, whereas Squeezer is the name of Natalia's dog. Now, when Natalia believes that her dog Squeezer is better than that of Lomov, whereas Lomov feels no, his dog Guess is much better than that of Natalia's dog. A point of disagreement again erupts between both Lomov and Natalia. Why has Lomov come to, Natalia's house? That's my basic question. Remember the title of the story, The Proposal. What is proposal? Asking somebody's hand in marriage. Now, since the time Lomov has come to Natalia's house, they have been discussing all sorts of things except for marriage, except for love. They had been discussing about oxen meadows. Lomov has a certain palpitation condition because of which he's not able to breathe properly. Thirdly, they are also discussing about their dogs, where Natalia believes that her dog Squeezer is better than Lomov's dog, whose name is Guess. In the entire scenario, we see that the main key theme, which is the proposal, is missing out. There are fights, there are arguments, there are quarrels, but there is no love. There is no kindness. There is no romance in the air, which the chapter talks about, which the play talks about. Eventually, Natalia says to Lomov that please, Natalia is a very, simple girl and who uses very kind words. So at this point of time, Natalia says that, my dog Squeezer is better than your dog Guess. Lomov, who could have ended the argument but by just saying that, okay, your dog is better, he is also very adamant. And he's saying, no, my dog Guess is much better than your dog Squeezer. An argument which could have turned into something which was more romantic, which was more lovely, which involved more of love, it eventually ended in a quarrel and in a fight. So the chapter, The Proposal, which is actually a play, and let me tell you, it is only a one-act play. It involves the scenario of Lomov, Natalia, and Chubukov. Chubukov, he also is a kind of a father who is not seen very keen on getting his daughter married, Natalia. So, he's trying to repulse Lomov in the entire play. He's trying to contradict Lomov in the entire play. So, the main features that we have to concentrate in this chapter are, first, Lomov comes in his best attire at Chubukov's house. Why has he come to Chubukov's house? Because he wants to get married to his daughter, Natalia. Natalia is an average-looking girl, but she's a very good housekeeper. And Lomov, he's a 35-year-old man who suffers from palpitations. Lomov wants to get married to Natalia, and that is why he has come with that prospect in his mind to Chubukov's house. Initially, Chubukov was hesitant of Lomov's appearance, but eventually he gives in and he believes that yes, he can be a good prospect to his daughter, Natalia. But before Lomov, could actually propose to Natalia, there are a lot of fights and arguments between both of them. The first argument that disrupts is Oxen Meadow, which was a disputed property, where Lomov claims that it was his property, whereas Natalia sticks to her claim, stating that it was her property. Eventually, when this dispute is sorted between Natalia and Lomov, Lomov starts suffering from palpitations. Because of palpitations, he gets unconscious, he's getting anxious, he's not able to breathe. Chubukov and Natalia, they try their level best to bring Lomov back into consciousness, which they are eventually able to bring back to. Now talking about Lomov, eventually he gets fine, and eventually when the time comes where he has to actually propose to Natalia, they again enter an argument regarding their dogs, Squeezer and Guess. So I would just tell you that Proposal is a play that takes you on a fun ride. Though it claims to be a very romantic play because it involves a proposal, yet there is no romance in the air. We can find humor, we can find arguments, we can find sarcasm. But actually the element of romance is missing in this chapter, in this play. But yet this play is very, is very good for the readers because it brings out the element of comic timings and humor in a very well frigid manner. This is it for the chapter. Now let's discuss the question answers of this chapter. Okay, class 10th, now is the time to discuss the question and answers of the chapter, The Proposal. As the title suggests, The Proposal, it is all about, love, but the love is actually missing in the air. It becomes more a part of quarrels and arguments in this chapter. Now coming to the question answers, let's discuss them. What does Chubukov at first suspect that Lomov has come for? Chubukov, who is the father of Natalia, he suspects that Lomov has come to ask for money. Why do the neighbors come to your house when they need something? So Chubukov thought that probably Lomov needs money, he needs something else. He was not actually aware that Lomov has come to his place to ask for his daughter's hand in marriage, and not because of money. Is he sincere when the latter says, "And I have loved you, my angel, as if you were my own son"? Find reasons from your answer from the play. I believe that yes, the feelings of Lomov are genuine towards Natalia. He is 35 years old, he suffers from palpitations, he does not sleep well. And he feels that Natalia, though she might be average looking, but she's a good housekeeper. She can take care of him, she can take care of the house. So Lomov is very vocal about his feelings for Natalia. Yes, he's an adamant person who gets into arguments, who gets into fights, who does not think about slowing and pacing down the situation. But at the same time, I do not question his feelings and emotions towards Natalia. He is very genuine towards his feelings towards Natalia, though his feelings can be mixed. He loves Natalia. On the other hand, he knows that Natalia is somebody who can be a good wife to him. So both the elements have been combined together. The element of love and also the element of the fact that Natalia is going to be a good housewife. Chubokov says of Natalia, as if she won't consent. She is in love, egad, she is a lovesick cat. So Chubokov also feels that Natalia, she wants to get married to Lomov. Why? She's a young girl, and like all other girls, she also has feelings of being married one day. She is average looking, she is not very beautiful, but she is a good housekeeper. Many years have passed down the lane, things have been coming back into the situation, but at the same time, Lomov, he's also desperate to get married. On the other hand, Natalia is also desperate to get married. Once I read this very famous, book, Pride and Prejudice. And the Pride and Prejudice book was all about marriage. Okay, it's about giving your consent to the concept of marriage. Marriage is a concept that is very important in our lives. People always discuss and talk about it. And here Natalia, who is a young girl, she is also, filled with emotions of love. And she also sees herself eventually getting married. There is a very famous saying, it is a fact universally acknowledged that a young man in possession of a good fortune must be in want of a wife. These lines are from the famous book Pride and Prejudice, and this clearly states that a young man and a young girl who are both settled in their life, they eventually seek love, they eventually seek romance in their life. And that's what Natalia and Lomov, they both crave for, though they are repulsive towards their feelings, though at times they contradict each other, but in the end, both of them want to get married. Find out all the words and expressions in the play that the characters use to speak about each other and the accusations and insults they hurl at each other. Okay, so characters, of course, Lomov, he insults Natalia by bringing up the topic of Oxon Meadows. Oxon Meadow was a property that was, actually it was a disputed property. Natalia believed that it was her side of the property, whereas Lomov felt that it was her side of the property. So it was always a case of disputed property. Eventually, Natalia decides that, this is my property, and Lomov decides my property. So there is an argument, there is an insult in that discussion. The next topic that crops up is the topic of dogs. So Natalia believes that her dog Squeezer is better than Lomov's dog Guess. So that is also a point of argument and insult. Lomov, he's suffering from palpitations, and Natalia believes that, Lomov should not die at her place. Natalia is not really concerned about Lomov. She believes that, at their place, nobody should be dead. But eventually, when Natalia gets to know that Lomov has come to her house to ask her hand in marriage, she becomes more kind and considerate towards Lomovo, which she was not earlier. Okay, so the most important thing that we have to focus is on the real feelings of Lomovo and Natalia. You have to understand that both Lomov and Natalia, yes, They might love each other, but there is also an element of selfish love in their love. For example, Lumov wants to get married to Natalia because she's a good housewife, and Natalia is also in want of a husband. That's why she agrees, and she even wants to get married to a 35-year-old man, Lumov. So the play, very beautifully, it talks about how important the concept of marriage sometimes is in our lives. And secondly, it is also talking about the characters of Natalia and Lumov in a very argumentative way. They both love each other, but their love is very contradictory. They throw insults and they disrespect each other, but at the same time they want to get married to each other and they are in love. Thank you. This is it for today. This was the chapter, The Proposal. Please go through the chapter really very wisely. I think I'm expecting a long question from this chapter because this chapter is a play. So most probably two types of questions can be asked from this chapter. First, either an RTC can be asked. RTC is reference to context kind of a question can be asked from this chapter, or a long question. Long question, why am I saying that? Because this is a play. It's not a normal chapter. It's a huge play. Though it's a one-act play, but it's a play. So it's a long question can be expected from this chapter, or a reference to context where certain lines spoken by a character will be given to you and you have to answer the questions accordingly. The proposal is a very important chapter, keeping in mind your boards. So please kindly go through each line when you're reading this chapter. Understanding the characters of Lumov, Chukobov and Natalia is very important. Also, the concept of palpitations, which means anxiety, depression, and when the heart beats really fast, those conditions you need to understand when you're going through this chapter. Thank you. This is it for today.